Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan. So today I'll be showing you guys how I decorated this chocolate Oreo cake with buttercream icing. As I said, I am new to this, but I felt I need to show you guys how I do it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please remember to subscribe, like and share, and leave your comments. Please enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I'm decorating this cake. Just to give you guys a heads up, my cake is slightly over baked and I kind of remove it too early out of the baking tray or baking tin, so it is crumbling a bit, but I managed to salvage it, and at the end you cannot tell that my cake was a bit crumbling or a bit over baked. But as you can see, you can definitely rescue a overbaked cake that is crumbling, and I am not a professional in the fact that I was able to do this. It's amazing. I am really happy with the result, the end result. So as I said, it's a chocolate cake with buttercream icing, with Oreo sprinkles inside, or Oreo crushed that's inside, and also I've put some Oreo biscuit inside as well, cookie inside as well. There's not much that I can say. I eventually will show you guys how I make my buttercream icing and how I bake my cakes, but as I said, I'm not a professional, so you know, I rather show you guys how I decorate it, because I think that's the best part of baking as well, for me anyways, is the final results of how beautiful and creative I can become when decorating or doing baking. So there's not much more that I can say about this, other than that I will show you guys how I make my cakes and how I make my buttercream icing. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. There won't be a lot of talking, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to hit that subscription button, hit your notification bell for so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Please like and leave your comments, and if you're new, you're so welcome to the family, welcome to the journey, welcome to my kitchen. And if you are a regular, welcome back, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. by the way guys, I am improvising as I go. I definitely need to practice on my piping, but you know, eventually I will get there. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you have, please remember to subscribe, like and share. Leave a comment, like hit up that comment box, you know, say how you think I've done, what I could improve, you know. I really don't mind your suggestions. Share this video with somebody you think will like it. As you can also see that I decided to remove those piping that I put on the cake. Didn't really like it, so I removed it and just worked with it and just improvised from there. I added a bit more of the cookie or Oreo crumbs. Yeah, so it's all about improvising and learning from your mistakes. You know, it could have been a bit better, kind of regretted a bit after putting it on, but it is what it is. I'll definitely be doing some more videos like this, because I thoroughly enjoy decorating and bringing this cake to life. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. As I said, if you haven't been subscribers yet, please remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will definitely see you guys on the next video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.